The story of artificial intelligence in warfare begins not with sentient machines or self-aware robots, but with the quiet hum of computers in the background. Machines that were, at first, little more than tools for calculation and communication. In the early 2010s, simple lines of code started to make their way into military operations, quietly transforming the way information was processed and decisions were made. Militaries worldwide began integrating algorithms into their defense systems, marking the dawn of what would later be known as Phase 1, a period defined by experimentation, adaptation, and the first steps toward digital warfare. Drones quickly became the most visible symbol of this era. Unmanned aerial vehicles, once a novelty, now patrolled the skies relentlessly, first for surveillance, gathering intelligence from above, and soon after, for targeted strikes that changed the calculus of modern conflict. Operators, often stationed thousands of miles away from the battlefield, made life-and-death decisions through screens and joysticks. This revolutionized not only the risks soldiers faced, but also the very nature of engagement. Distance no longer meant safety or detachment. The age of the joystick warrior had arrived, foreshadowing a future where humans might step even further back from direct combat, relying more on machines to do the dangerous work. Early AI also began to transform surveillance. Pattern recognition algorithms sifted through mountains of satellite imagery and hours of video, flagging unusual activity, tracking movements, and providing analysts with insights that would have taken teams of humans days or weeks to uncover. These were not thinking machines, but tireless digital clerks, processing, sorting, and analyzing information at a scale and speed that was previously unimaginable for human operators. Targeting programs began to use AI to refine missile trajectories, suggest potential targets, and even predict enemy movements. This sped up decision-making and improved accuracy, giving militaries a crucial edge in fast-moving situations. The human remained in control, but AI narrowed the options, filtered the noise, and accelerated the process, making it possible to act faster and with greater confidence than ever before. This was not about replacing soldiers, but about making existing weapons and systems smarter, faster, and more responsive to the demands of modern warfare. Phase 1 laid the groundwork for everything that would follow: data collection, automation, and a kind of digital sixth sense for military planners, allowing them to see patterns and possibilities invisible to the naked eye. It was a foundation for the far more complex and autonomous systems that would soon follow, as militaries raced to stay ahead in a rapidly evolving technological landscape. The implications of these early advances were only beginning to be understood. Questions about ethics, control, and the future of warfare started to surface in strategy rooms and think tanks. Militaries realized that AI had the potential to change not just tactics, but the very nature of conflict itself, altering how wars would be fought, and perhaps even why. The groundwork was set for a new era, one where innovation and adaptation would be the keys to survival and success on the battlefield. The digital ghost in the machine was no longer just a concept, it was becoming reality, quietly reshaping the tools and strategies of war. The world was on the cusp of a transformation in warfare, as nations raced to harness the power of AI and automation for their own security and advantage. Phase 1 was just the beginning, a prologue to a much larger story that would unfold in the years to come. The stage was set for the next leap, as the boundaries between man and machine blurred further with each technological breakthrough. The future of conflict would never be the same, and the world was watching as a new chapter in military history began to unfold. Phase 2 marks a leap. AI systems now perceive, reason, and act with growing independence. This is not just an incremental improvement, but a fundamental shift in how militaries approach decision-making and operations. Machines are no longer simply following instructions. They are interpreting complex environments and making choices in real time. Algorithms learn from vast data, blurring the line between tool and autonomous agent. They adapt to new information, refine their strategies, and even anticipate enemy moves, making them more than just passive instruments. On the battlefield, AI can process sensor data, identify threats, and initiate responses in fractions of a second, sometimes faster than any human could react. This speed and precision can mean the difference between mission success and failure. The human role shifts from operator to supervisor or is sometimes removed entirely, raising profound strategic and ethical questions. As machines take on more responsibility, the boundaries of accountability and control are being redefined. Autonomous drone swarms are a game changer. Dozens or hundreds of drones coordinate, adapt, and execute missions collectively, overwhelming defenses and covering vast areas. Their ability to communicate and adjust tactics on the fly makes them a formidable force. These swarms can identify, confirm, and engage targets with minimal human input. They operate as a single, intelligent entity, capable of complex maneuvers and rapid decision-making. AI is also revolutionizing logistics, predicting needs for fuel, ammunition, and supplies with remarkable accuracy. It can foresee shortages before they happen, ensuring that resources are always where they are needed most. It analyzes consumption rates, weather, and enemy activity to keep armies supplied and ready. This predictive power allows for smoother operations and fewer disruptions on the front lines. While less dramatic than weapons, this logistical edge is crucial for military effectiveness. The ability to sustain forces efficiently can determine the outcome of entire campaigns. AI is now the unseen hand managing the complex dance of war. It orchestrates movements, coordinates resources, and ensures that every element works in harmony. Efficiency, speed, and adaptability are the new hallmarks of military power. The battlefield is changing, fast. In this new era, those who master intelligent autonomy will shape the future of conflict. AI's reach now extends to every domain of warfare. In cyber, AI hunts for vulnerabilities and defends against attacks at speeds no human can match. Underwater, autonomous submarines patrol for months, gathering intelligence and posing silent threats. On land, robotic vehicles scout, patrol, and even fight, reducing risk to human soldiers. These machines navigate hazardous terrain and support troops in ways never before possible. AI is now a critical component across all services: digital, sea, and ground. Future conflicts will see AI battling AI, creating a battlespace of unprecedented speed and complexity. The challenge managing this new reality before it manages us. As AI advances, we face profound ethical dilemmas. Should a machine be allowed to make kill decisions? Proponents cite speed and efficiency. Opponents warn of lost accountability and catastrophic errors. The black box problem looms. Can we trust decisions we don't fully understand? Data manipulation is another threat. Adversaries could trick AI into misidentifying targets. Trusting AI's judgment becomes perilous if its data can be corrupted. The responsibility is immense. We must embed ethics, ensure control, and demand transparency. The stakes are nothing less than the future of human agency in war. Military AI is fueling a global arms race. Each breakthrough spurs rivals to catch up or surpass. This competition breeds urgency and secrecy, raising risks for international stability. Rushed deployments and opaque capabilities can lead to miscalculations and overreactions. Autonomous systems make decisions in microseconds, shrinking the window for human intervention and increasing the risk of rapid escalation. Major powers may dominate, widening the gap with smaller nations and empowering non-state actors. The balance of power is shifting, and the rules of deterrence are being rewritten. The world faces a future where AI-driven conflict could spiral out of control before humans can respond. The consequences could reshape global security in unpredictable ways. The future may see wars fought largely by AI, autonomous drones, robots, and intelligent machines operating on land, sea, and in the air, making split-second decisions without direct human input. Cyber agents will wage digital battles, while humans oversee these operations from remote command centers, shifting the role of people from fighters to supervisors and strategists. This transformation raises profound questions about the nature of war, the meaning of victory, and the ethics of letting machines decide matters of life and death. New treaties and international agreements are urgently needed to govern the use of military AI, but progress is slow, complicated by national interests, technological secrecy, and the race for dominance. Space is rapidly becoming the next frontier. AI-powered weapons could turn orbit into a battleground, threatening vital infrastructure, communications, and escalating global tensions to new heights. The risk of debris and conflict in space is real, with even a single incident potentially triggering a cascade of destruction that endangers all nations. As machines take on more roles, we must ask, what remains for the human soldier and strategist, and how do we preserve human judgment in critical moments? The choices we make now, about technology, ethics, and cooperation, will define not just the future of warfare, but humanity's place in an increasingly automated world. Military AI is a double-edged sword, offering innovation and peril in equal measure. It can protect soldiers, process intelligence, and manage logistics, but also threatens to destabilize global security. Autonomous weapons and AI arms races raise ethical alarms and the risk of losing control. Diplomats and policymakers struggle to keep pace as traditional rules of war are upended. The revolution underway demands both excitement for progress and caution for its consequences. We stand at a crossroads: harness AI for security and ethics, or risk a future of autonomous conflict and lost human control. The decisions we make today will shape the world for generations. The responsibility is ours, and it is urgent.